What if a house were almost entirely made of glass, but still completely private? This is the Luaa House, designed by architect Ana Smud in a residential neighborhood of Buenos Aires. The house is not exposed to the street. It is surrounded by walls and by a garden that wraps around everything. In other words, instead of opening outward, it closes itself off and creates its own world inside the lot. On the ground floor, almost everything is glass. The walls disappear. The house connects directly to the garden. From any point, you can see the vegetation around you. This makes the space feel larger than it actually is. At the same time, it creates a sense of continuity between inside and outside. But this only works because the house is protected by the walls and the garden itself. Without that, it wouldn't be possible. The ground floor also holds the main everyday areas: living room, kitchen, shared spaces. Everything is organized in an open layout with very few divisions. The furniture stays lower, closer to the glass, so it doesn't block the view. Moving up to the second level, the experience changes. Here, the house becomes more enclosed. The facades introduce wood, and the openings are more controlled. This provides more privacy for the bedrooms and also filters the light. On the top level, another shift happens. The walls start to disappear again. The volume becomes lighter, and the house opens back outward, but now with broader views toward the sky and the tree canopies. The light enters more softly, passing through the vegetation and the wood. Each level of the house relates to the outside in a different way. At the bottom, fully open. In the middle, more closed and protected. At the top, lighter and open again. And this is not just about aesthetics, it is a way to control light, privacy, and use at each level. Another important point is how the house is positioned on the site. The main volume does not touch the boundaries. It is set back from the walls. This creates a continuous garden around it and keeps the vegetation present on all sides. In the end, the Luaa House is simple to understand, but very well resolved. It uses three main ideas: glass to open, wood to filter, and the garden to protect. And with that, it achieves something difficult, a house that is very open, but at the same time, completely private.